Okay, my question was, why do people drink diet soda, and is it actually better for you than regular soda? So my initial first statement was health benefits of diet soda versus regular soda. So initially we see, pros and cons of drinking diet soda from healtheating.com, regular diet soda, which is worse for your health, at eatingwell.com, and diet soda versus regular soda is one worse for you than the other. So if we click on a few of them, we get what seems like a kind of like an article about diet sodas. And the article gives a little background about diet sodas and then has some pros and cons, and at the end has a suggestion. This seems like the person did a little bit of research, but and it does mention a study, so it could be valid. So if we go back, this is from Eating Well. Whoa, advertisement. For this one, I wouldn't do this because it seems like it's a bunch of opinions. Looking through it, it has pros and cons again, but it's very opinionated, so we'll move on from that one. So now we're at an article on Medical Daily, which is a accredited source. They have the good, the bad, and the ugly from diet soda, and the good, the bad, the ugly from regular soda, and a conclusion. And as I read through it, they use the same study as the first article did, so you'd have to say that that's getting more credit since there's another resource that has it in there. They list some numbers, so I would say this is a pretty good source to use. The source I'm finding seem to have good information on both. There was one that was opinionated, but the other two were good. Um, go look at the last one, which is kind of just a general wellness site. I really heard of scripted. So as I on this third one, it seems like pros and cons of each are coming up a lot. So if we go back, I think I will refine my search to not versus but pros and cons of diet soda and regular soda. See the top two, I have two that I already clicked on, plus a few more came up, like some healthcare, Live Strong. So I would go UNC Healthcare, has a diet soda's good or bad, University of North Carolina School of Medicine. So that's a pretty credible source. So I think so far, my searches have given me the type of information I'm looking for. I'm gonna click on this Live Strong one just to see what this one is. It seems like there's a lot of just your articles giving you an overview of them, and then the pros and cons of each, and then a verdict at the end, which is what I'm looking for. It kind of pins them against them, really shows which one is I guess the worst for you. In a lot of them, including this one, I see why do people drink it, or why is one taste better than the other, and then they give you the health benefits of each, which is helpful. Also, in a lot of these articles, they have studies included, information on studies that were like this one has Dartmouth University that did a study on artificial sweeteners in diet soda. Alright, so the last one I would say I would have to do, since I did pros and cons, since that really narrowed it down, I have to have another one. I'd probably do shit. Alright, so then I looked up university study diet soda versus regular soda, so you get a direct source, and it came up with Men's Fit, and it basically explained a university test with 2,465 subjects at Miami University. So overall, I think my searches did give me the proper information I need to help answer my research question.